In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a minimum font size on the Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the Safari browser and select the Safari button up in the top menu bar. Go down and select Settings. And then at the top, select the Advanced button at the top right. And then underneath Accessibility versus Never Use Font Sizes Smaller Than, check mark inside that field, and then you can click inside the drop-down and adjust the minimum font size you're looking for. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.